Dano, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Yes, and today's video is extra special because, let me show you. It's Bibbidi box unboxing. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so behind on opening these boxes. So I don't know whether this is my subscription box or whether it's my holiday box, because I do have an active subscription to them and I did order a separate holiday box. So I'm so excited to open this up and see what's inside. All right, so without further ado, let's open this box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, it's always a little tough to open these boxes. Not that I've opened many. I just opened my first one just a couple weeks ago. Okay, so this looks a little bit different. Let me show you. So from what I've seen and heard, that they're going to be using, I guess, these new almost like reusable bags going forward. Okay, so I don't see a packing slip or card. Let me look inside. So again, this is what I have. So the box is empty. And this is my baggie of goodness. It's really cute though. Oh, I can totally rock this. How adorable. Okay, so maybe it's inside. Okay, I don't see one inside, so maybe they forgot about me. I don't know. Okay, from the looks of what's inside, I think this is my actually holiday Bibbidi box. So let me see. This is weird because, I mean, I've only opened one box before, but because it had that, oh my gosh, that shredded paper in, so you kind of like fish around for what's inside. But this, like, you know, you look down and you kind of see it, and I guess because I'm like looking down and trying to find my like ship list or a card or anything. All right, so the first item that I have is this amazing candle, and this is a Christmas tree trail. Let me show you. And I know I'm gonna love it already. I think, now don't quote me 100%, but I think when Wish's Candle Co., by the way, I love them. I'm obsessed with them. I have reviewed so many videos. I will link them up over here. Check them out. They're amazing. But I think when Candle Co. works with Bibbidi, I think they create like a specific, you know, line just for them. So this is like an exclusive. I know I'm gonna love it. I know I'm gonna love it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at it. This is, I'm obsessed with Wish's Candle Company. I'm honestly obsessed. Okay, this smells like, you know, when you buy that bag of like pine cones, like in Michael's or Hobby Lobby or really any store, and they're like holiday scented. This is what it smells like. And I'm pretty sure that this candle will probably have a pin inside. If you don't know, when you typically order from Wish's Candle Co. on their website, the 8-ounce candles, which is this, they all have a pin inside. So I'm pretty sure this one has it, but once I burn it through, I'll definitely come back at some point in time and let you guys know. Oh, but I'm so excited. I love candles. I love this company. They're amazing. They are amazing. Okay. All right, so now I have this big button and it says, have yourself a Mickey little Christmas. So it's in this plastic bag. Let me take it out. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Yeah, this is for sure the holiday box. And to be honest, like, they were pitching it, you know, like they were advertising it on Instagram, and so I was just like, okay, I cannot miss. And I think when they actually launched the Christmas stuff. I think we were in Disney, so I was super nervous, like, because I wanted to make sure that I got my Christmas box. So I don't even know what I paid for it. I don't even know what tier this is. Okay, this is my last item. Okay, so this is a shirt and I love it. Okay, it's long sleeve and it says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. How adorable is that? And this year especially, like, I'm obsessing with the red trucks, like the red holiday trucks. I just love them so much. So this is perfect. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Let me see if I can get up a little bit. I cannot wait to wear this in one of my next videos. Ah, this is so cute. And of course the light just went pitch black. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this was the 3 items that I got. The shirt, this big button, and the candle. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I don't, like I said, I don't have a slip. I don't have a card, so I can't even tell you what the price points of these items are. But from what I know, Bibbidi always goes above and beyond, and they always kind of, you know, give you like a little 10% extra above what you have paid to make it really worth it. So, I mean, it's not always 10%, but you know, a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. So I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna burn this right now, and I'm gonna wear this in my next video. I'm so happy. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Bibbidi box. It's just super festive here, super holiday, and I'm just so happy. This is such a wonderful subscription. It's purely magical. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit those bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, because we still have lots of days of this Vlogmas stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.